We have mastered the use of if statements. Now ByteMail is ready to give us a new challenge. Our next task is to build a system that will compare two packages and identify which of the two is heavier. Now, in the code editor, create a solution to this problem. How would you go about solving it? Well, we could start by adding an if statement to check if package 1 is heavier than package 2. Then, add a console.log message to show that package 1 is heavier than package 2. Are we done? No, not yet. We also need to display a message when package 2 is heavier than package 1. To do this, we will need a second if statement. Its condition will be the opposite of the first condition. More specifically, package 1 weighs less than package 2. Don't forget to add a message inside of the second if statement to show that package 2 is heavier than package 1. Once you are done, try running your code with various weights for package 1 and package 2.